Best penny stocks to buy on April 23rd, 2026, part 3. So our next stock is Replimune Group, stock symbol REPL. It is up today 16% or 38 cents, trading at $2.66. Since this morning, it already traded 9 million shares. Market cap for the company is $222 million. So this company is from biotechnology sector. If you look at it, it kind of shows a typical pattern for, pharmaceutical penny stock. It used to trade at $10 a share. And by the way, not that long ago, it was trading at $10 like in December. And very recently it was trading at $9 like on April 7th. However, something happened. Some kind of bad news was released by this company, and the stock crashed from $9 to like $2 in a matter of a couple of days. So then the stock started to stabilize at around $2 level. So it looks like investors have to make a decision if we hit the rock bottom or if we should go even lower. But it looks like it found its bottom at $2, and right now it's trying to make some gains and basically reverse its bearish trend and make it bullish. And it looks like it's working, at least for the last couple of days. So today's jump of 18% kind of tells you that this strategy is working. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they release, because biotechnology stocks are the ones who basically make medications. And as I said before, if medications suddenly start to produce some positive results in clinical trials when it's being used on people, or maybe they got extra financing, or simply an analyst just upgraded them and said, oh yeah, I think this stock is going to be trading back at $10 in like 6 months. I mean, this usually triggers the stock to jump and investors to come back to the table and invest their money into the stock. So take a look. Next one is Jin Medical International Limited, stock symbol ZJYL. It is up today 13% or 27 cents, trading at $2.30. Since this morning, it only traded 19,000 shares. Okay. So I don't know what's going on with this thing. Maybe it just started to show up on the radar screen as a top gainer for today. But usually when the stock jumps 13%, it kind of tells you that something interesting is happening there. But if you don't see trading volume, then maybe the market is not buying the news that this company is trying to maybe communicate to the market. So but you're still, if I were you, I would still take a look and see exactly what this company does. By the way, they market cap is $18 million, and this company is from medical specialty sector. So it could be like, they either producing some kind of medical devices, maybe medications. So 6 months ago, it used to trade at $6 a share, and then it collapsed to like $1. So, but right now it's staging a comeback. It's been basically trying to come back in the last month or so, and it made some progress. Went from $1.80 to $2.30 on very small trading volume. But I think that I could see that it's being traded, but just 40 shares just in the last minute I saw. So, but it doesn't hurt to take a look and educate yourself and see what kind of opportunity the stock presents, because guess what? If you decide to buy it and pull the trigger at $2.30 and this thing goes back to, let's say, $6.30, you could make 300% return on your money, or basically triple your investment. So take a look. Next one is NN Incorporated, stock symbol NNBR. It is up today 17% or 40 cents, trading at $2.77. Since this morning, it already traded 2 million shares. Market cap for the company is $141 million. So this company is from metal fabrication sector. It was, interestingly enough, it was kind of a hot sector just recently, but for that stock, it was super hot. Because guess what? In the last month or so, the stock went from $1.50 all the way to $2.70. So, I mean, it gained like almost 100%. And the curve, I mean, the bullish trend that it built just looks astonishing. It looks like this company is unstoppable. It's going to the stratosphere. And today's final push of 17% kind of proves the point that, you know, the company still has a lot of, you know, basically fuel to burn to continue to go up like a rocket. And the trading volume of 2 million shares kind of tells you that investors are buying, you know, the story that this company is trying to sell them. So, by the way, it was on my report, I would say maybe last week, because I could, you know, I was reporting that it started to jump on a very serious trading volume, but also producing very strong gains. So take a look. Next one is Keel Infrastructure Corporation, stock symbol KEEL. It is up today 13% or 40 cents, trading at $3.44. Since this morning, it already traded 37 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is $2 billion. So even though it is a penny stock, because the stock price is under $5, the market cap is a pretty serious market cap of $2 billion. So, and this company is from data processing services sector. Another interesting thing about that stock is that this is a very recent IPO. They just started to trade on the market on April 6th of this year, or basically like a couple of weeks ago. And interestingly enough, it had quite a bit of interest from investors because it started to trade at $2 a share. And right now, it's already trading at $3.45. So again, the company almost doubled in price in a couple of weeks. So, and today's push of another 13% higher kind of proves that, you know, investors are almost insatiable to the, you know, offering, and they continue to buy those shares. So if I were you, I would, you know, take a look, see what kind of business this company does. And, you know, when I say data processing, is that maybe if they're working with data centers, maybe with AI or, you know, other hot technologies, and that will determine if they continue to rise. But it sounds very interesting and very attractive, so take a look. Next one is Vivo Power PLC, stock symbol VIVO. It is up today 13% or 39 cents, trading at $3.33. Since this morning, it already traded 1.4 million shares. Market cap of the company is $57 million. So this company is from electric utilities sector. And guess what? It is also a recent IPO because it just started to trade on March 16th of this year. So it basically was trading for a little bit over a month. It started to trade at $1.80 and then it went all the way to $3.60, basically doubling in price in the last month. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what you know what they do. Maybe put some money into it. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website 4pnn.com and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 5,000 penny stocks, and I use it for this video. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.